Yay! Hello! How's it going? Is it all aboard? Take a what? Is it, oh, that is interesting. Yes, that is interesting. Thank you. Oh no, hang on. Ignorance, cyclopedia, condition complete. What is it? This? Oh, condition. Oh, I'm out of here. Goodbye. It's Boardy. Oh, he's back. Oh, this is so loud.
Hello, my name is Boardy. I want to say potato.
Oh, that's easy. I know what it is. Mona Lisa.
I've got to go ride some of the rides while I'm here. See you later.
Yeah, see ya. Not. Hey, how's it going?
Where am I?
Oh, I hang on. The Mythic Runes? Mythic Runes? Is it it? The keyboard. You know? Hello, buddy. How's it going? Oh wait, it's the same question. Which the Mythic Runes. This has been. Wait, what? Yes, I know.
The water will only flow downward with gravity and will not go upward through any pipes. Which opening do you pour the water through?
Hey, hang on. D. This no. C. What is it? This is me, the Boardy. Stop it right now! I thought he was red yelling. What? My brain? What? This one? Abuse! What the heck? Oh, what is this? Oh, that is so spooky, sushi. What? Spooky sushi? What even is that?
Dracula. What's the name of this vampire who became famous?
Oh, I know this one. It's Nosferatu. What? I'm just gonna carry on watching. Round. Oh no! What's happening? Okay.
What is it called?
To be frank, ma'am, I don't know. But is it Stola? Why are you crying?